Trusting Allah in difficult times. Finding peace when life gets hard. Life can sometimes feel like an overwhelming storm. Out of nowhere, you might find yourself facing trials that shake your core. Financial struggles, heartbreak, illness, or sudden loss. In these dark moments, when every door seems closed and every plan falls apart, there is one anchor that never breaks. Trusting Allah in difficult times is not just about hoping for a better tomorrow. It is a profound spiritual anchor that transforms heartbreak into profound peace. Today, we are going to explore how to maintain unshakable tawakkul, or reliance on Allah, when life tests your faith. Welcome to this journey of spiritual healing. 1. Understanding tawakkul, the ultimate reliance. When we talk about trusting Allah, we must first understand the concept of tawakkul. In Islam, tawakkul translates to complete, wholehearted reliance on the Creator. It is the active choice to place your trust in Allah's divine plan, even when your human mind cannot comprehend the reasons behind your suffering. Imagine this. You are navigating a pitch-black maze. You cannot see the exit, you do not know what is around the next corner, and you feel completely lost. But holding your hand is an all-knowing guide who built the maze, knows every twist and turn, and promises to lead you to safety. That is what tawakkul is. It is the deep-seated belief that Allah's plan is far better than anything you could ever orchestrate for yourself. During hardships, our natural human instinct is to panic, to question, and to try to control every variable. But tawakkul reminds us to do our part, to put in the effort, make the dua supplication, take the necessary steps, and then surrender the outcome to the most merciful. It is about letting go of the anxiety of how things will work out and resting in the comfort of who is in control. 2. The wisdom behind hardships. One of the hardest questions we ask ourselves during a crisis is, why is this happening to me? It is completely normal to feel sad, overwhelmed, or even confused. However, as believers, we are taught to shift our perspective. Hardships are rarely just punishments. In the grand scheme of the divine, they are often blessings in disguise, tests of character, and mechanisms for spiritual elevation. Think of it this way. A tree cannot grow deep, unshakable roots without enduring heavy winds and storms. Similarly, your soul develops resilience, empathy, and strength only when it is forged in the fires of adversity. Allah says in the Quran, "Do people think that they will be left alone because they say we believe and will not be tested?" Surah Al-Ankabut. These trials serve several beautiful purposes in our lives. Spiritual purification. Difficulties wash away our minor sins and humble our hearts. When life is perfect, we sometimes forget our dependence on the divine. Hardships bring us back to our prayer mats. Protection from harm. Sometimes a calamity we desperately want to avoid is actually protecting us from a much greater unseen disaster. Allah's foresight is absolute. Elevation of ranks. Patiently persevering through hardship elevates your status in the eyes of Allah. It is a golden ticket to immense rewards in the hereafter. Redirecting your path. A closed door might feel like a tragedy today, but it often forces us to turn toward a path that is actually meant for us. 3. Practical steps to cultivating tawakkul. Building strong, unwavering trust in Allah does not happen overnight. It is a daily spiritual practice. How exactly do we build this trust when our world is falling apart? Let us look at 5 practical, deeply transformative steps you can implement today. 1. Constantly make dua and speak to Allah. Your relationship with Allah is personal and intimate. You do not need formal, complex language to speak to your Creator. Cry to Him, express your deepest fears, and tell Him how tired or heartbroken you are. Dua is the weapon of the believer. Allah loves to hear the voice of His servant, calling out to Him in the middle of the night, asking for relief and guidance. 2. Focus on gratitude, even in the smallest things. It is easy to focus entirely on what you have lost during a difficult time. However, shifting your mindset to still have changes everything. Gratitude unlocks the doors of mercy. Even in your darkest hour, there are blessings to be found. Your health, your faith, the breath in your lungs, or the people who love you. Thanking Allah for the small things opens the heart to receive greater peace. 3. Reflect on the stories of the prophets. Whenever you feel that your trials are too heavy, reflect on the lives of the prophets. Look at Prophet Ayyub, who lost his health, wealth, and family, yet never lost his patience or trust in Allah. Look at Prophet Musa, Moses trapped between the Red Sea and Pharaoh's army, yet he confidently declared, "Indeed, with me is my Lord, He will guide me." Surah Ash-Shu'ara 26:62. Their stories are timeless reminders that relief always follows hardship. Before, recite and reflect on the Quran. The Quran is a literal manual for the soul. During periods of immense difficulty, reading the Quran and reflecting on its meanings provides unparalleled comfort. Verses like, "Indeed with hardship will be ease," Surah Al-Inshirah 94:6, serve as a divine promise that your current pain is temporary and that a breakthrough is waiting for you. 5. Understand Qadr, divine decree. Acceptance is the ultimate form of trust. Qadr means accepting that whatever happens to you was never meant to miss you, and whatever misses you was never meant to happen. When you truly internalize this, the heavy burden of what if lifts from your shoulders. You stop fighting the past and start accepting the present as the perfect starting point for your future. 4. The fruits of trusting Allah. When you surrender your worries to Allah, a miraculous transformation occurs within your heart. You stop trying to control the uncontrollable. You realize that while you cannot dictate the storms that life throws at you, you have absolute control over how you react to them. The immediate fruit of tawakkul is sakina, a profound, unexplainable inner peace. Even if your external circumstances have not changed, your internal state shifts from anxiety to serenity. You begin to sleep better, breathe easier, and smile through the tears because you know the all-knowing, all-powerful Creator has your back. Furthermore, trusting Allah breeds sabr, patience. Sabr is not about passively giving up. It is about persevering with a beautiful, dignified patience while maintaining hope in Allah's promise. It is the quiet confidence that even if the relief does not come today, it will come eventually, and that Allah never burdens a soul more than it can bear. To wrap things up, my dear viewers, difficult times are inevitable, but our response to them is entirely a choice. When you face trials that threaten to break you, remember to breathe, turn to your Lord, and renew your tawakkul. Trusting Allah means believing that His timing is flawless, His mercy is infinite, and His love for you is greater than that of 70 mothers. Whatever you are going through right now, hold on. The storm will pass, and you will emerge from it stronger, wiser, and closer to your Creator. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our Global Mystery Nexus channel for more informative videos.